In today's digital age, the power to create your online empire is just a few clicks away. Are you ready to learn how to build an e-commerce website and start selling anything? Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or an established business looking to expand your reach, e-commerce is the way to go. It's time to unlock the potential of your online business. But wait, you might be wondering, how can I create a stunning e-commerce website that attracts customers? Well, it's easier than you think. First, you need to choose the right platform. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento offer user-friendly interfaces to set up your online store. Just choose the one that suits your needs. Next, get creative with your website design. Eye-catching visuals, intuitive navigation, and a seamless user experience are essential for engaging customers. Make sure your website reflects your brand's unique identity. Now, let's talk about payment gateways. Secure and diverse payment options are a must. It's vital to ensure your customers have a hassle-free shopping experience. And of course, marketing. Your e-commerce journey doesn't stop at building a website. You need to reach your target audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your site. Once you've attracted customers and made sales, deliver an exceptional customer experience. Fast shipping, quality products, and excellent customer support will keep them coming back. But hey, we get it. Creating and managing an e-commerce website can be a lot to handle. That's where ThrowCode, your trusted partner in web development and digital marketing, comes in. With ThrowCode, you're not just building a website. You're creating a digital masterpiece. Our team of experts specializes in web development, design, and digital marketing to help your business thrive in the online world. Contact ThrowCode today, and let's start building your e-commerce empire together.